Welcome to Vincom Mega Mall Royal City, one of the largest and most impressive underground shopping centers in Hanoi, Vietnam. Located just 15 minutes southwest of the Old Quarter, this massive complex is built directly beneath the luxurious Royal City urban area. It's not just a mall, it's practically a small city of its own, covering over 230,000 square meters of retail space. Royal City is often described as a European-style paradise, thanks to its wide marble corridors, elegant sculptures, and grand design, inspired by classical European architecture. Walking through here feels a bit like stepping into a modern palace. So, what's inside? Pretty much everything you could possibly need and more. You'll find hundreds of shops from global fashion brands and local Vietnamese designers to electronics, home decor, and beauty stores. There's also a massive indoor ice skating rink, the first of its kind in Vietnam, and as well as an indoor water park, an entertainment complex with arcades and games, and even a cinema. Foodies will not be disappointed either. Vincom Mega Mall is home to a huge food court and dozens of restaurants serving everything from Vietnamese classics like pho and banh mi to Korean barbecue, Japanese sushi, and Western comfort foods. There's even a massive supermarket downstairs where you can pick up international products and local ingredients. So how much time should you spend here? Honestly, it depends on your plans. If you're just here for a quick shop, 1 to 2 hours might be enough. But if you want to enjoy the ice rink, explore the entertainment zones, and grab a meal, you could easily spend half a day wandering around this complex. Fun facts: Royal City is entirely underground, making it a cool escape from Hanoi's hot and humid weather. The design of the entrance and surrounding buildings is inspired by European royal architecture with large white archways and statues that make for great photos. It's one of the few places in Hanoi where you can find big Western brands and modern luxury shopping all in one place. So whether you're shopping, eating, or just looking for something fun to do on a rainy day, Vincom Mega Mall Royal City is one of Hanoi's most unique destinations. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep on adventuring.